So, hello everybody. This is today Thair discussing and talking about manifesting the whole thing. I have this is my world. This is my world. I am saying it. This is my world. Okay, this is my world. From dimensions, flying cars, living in dimensions, dimensional realms, active everywhere. Every Homo sapien is imbibed with technology which Thalia only wants. What technology must be imbibed in Homo sapiens, that I decide. That I decide which type of technologies are imbibed in the Homo sapiens. Whether they have control panels in their eyes that are the whole control of their physicality and the other dimensional realms with their hand. Is it there? Yes. The dimensional selves are there present in this world. Okay. Thalia has there. Okay. So I'm talking about right, their whole function is inside their tap of hand. How? When I'm talking about their whole function is in their tap of hand, when they are accessing the whole control of their body, whole control of their physicality in just one tap, from their highest projectors will come and they will touch. If they want to run, they will touch it, run. If they want to walk, they can touch it, walk. Their whole body control system inside the head, means inside the head, inside the brain, there is whole software computer system established. Their whole computer system established inside the head. Okay, control panels, computer system established inside the head of Homo sapiens. Which style they want or not want. If Thalia didn't want to do that, I'm not gonna do it. I'm just simply saying it about teleportation and etc things is about the control of the world, how teleportation is happening in this world, how everything is happening in this world, how gigantic things are happening in this world, how all the things are happening in this world. I'm just talking about it in a very serene way. Like teleportation is a common thing in my world. Teleportation is a very common thing. Everybody is traveling, teleporting themselves into infinite universe. They can reach and live anywhere in dimensions, anywhere in the universe. Okay, they can live in anywhere in the universe, anywhere in the dimensions. They can live anywhere in the galaxies, in the universe, in the whole cosmos. They are living in anywhere. They are living in anywhere, anywhere. So they are not living anymore in skyscrapers, houses, or anywhere else. They're not consuming any food or anything, any water or anything. They are, if Thalia wants, they are imbibed, otherwise not. Okay, this is the mood of, this is the Thalia's world. Okay, this is Thalia world, Thalia communicating here. So there are various things in the realms, various things are there, like their various realms are connected with various worlds of the of dimensions of, like, we are connected with the fast times, we are connected with the Jurassic world, Jurassic era, ancient eras, very old eras, million year ago eras. Everything is there in the dimension, all the times are present right now. They can travel any moment, any time, any situation, any second, anything, in just seconds. These all are happen in my dimensions, in my world, in my Thalia world. OMG. So infinite things are there, infinite things are there. No more the thing that is going on here. Everything totally changes. Each and everything totally changes. Various new worlds are performing new activities like traveling to galaxies, other Earths, whole universe, teleporting to other universe, other places of the universe, reaching infinite. Homo sapiens start in the total universe, living anywhere is all possible, infinite possible. Their invisibility terms totally them something called Homo neodois. If I am saying to give an award to the Homo sapiens who are traveling the whole galaxies, who are living in galaxies, who are living anywhere in the world, anywhere in the dimension, because as my dimensions are present, there are multiple dimensions in this universe. So when multiple dimensions are there, Homo sapiens can live anywhere in the dimensions, anywhere in the dimensions, whether in stars, whether in moon, whether in, if, and they are also have, as that they can enter into sun. They can enter into sun and that will not occur anything to them. That is also there with Thalia world. Yes, this is also with their Thalia world. OMG. So it's all like very powerful things happen. Not about powerful, this is a normal casual thing in my world. Teleportation is very casual thing in my world. Everybody teleport, like, yeah, from here this place to that place. Everybody teleport very easily from this place to that place, anywhere. And they start to live anywhere. There are more things I'm going to explain in more upcoming videos. Today I made this video available. Hey, eternal, watching this video, just feel that my world, Tyler world, OMG.